Hello, NASA. I have a message for you and the orbital flight test of the Boeing Starliner. The second orbital flight test. I was hoping that you will, before you launch, load one of these on as the zero-G indicator. And also, I was hoping that you can load a mannequin dummy in one of your spacesuits, plus an additional spacesuit that I'm going to show you. Here's your Starliner spacesuit. I was hoping you will take the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacesuit. I was also hoping you will paint and fly the NASA worm logo, either on the solid rocket boosters, the Centaur booster, or even on all three boosters. With those being said, I will see you all in the next video that I make. Take care, everybody. And Godspeed the Boeing Starliner.